A small animal with a long nose, fur on its tail, and large eyes, it has not been seen for almost 50 years. But recently, scientists discovered an elephant shrew in August 2020. After half a century, a tiny creature with a long nose like an elephant's trunk was discovered again. To be precise, in Djibouti, East Africa. The elephant shrew has not been seen since 1973, and only 39 have been collected over hundreds of years and are now in the museum. Good news for scientists, considering that not only 1 or 2 elephant shrews were found. That way they can take the next step to maintain the survival of elephant shrews.